Hi children, we are going to a new lesson today. That is a lesson number 21. That is on inequalities, and we'll just do review exercise where you get about 3 questions, and they are just revising about inequalities. Now, in inequalities, there are 2 main signs. That is this one and this one. So, I have always told the children that when you have a sign like this, imagine that this is a snake like this, and it is always going for the big number. So, this is the mouth is always for the big number. So, always this side will be the big number, this side will be the small number. So, if you are writing that equation, we can write as 5 is greater than 2. So, here it is all the big number and this is always the small number. Or if you are using this one, you can write is 3 is less than 7. You can go that way. The big number is always on the mouth side, 3 is less than 7. Those are the 2 inequalities that you should do. Then also another thing is that you must know is, we will be writing inequality like this and with a line here. That means it is greater than or equal to. And you can write it like this also. That is less than or equal to. So, we will be coming through exercises, you will be able to understand what it is later on. So, we will go through the review exercise and you will be able to understand one by one. Now, first of all, they are told, for each of the following inequalities, represent the set of integral solutions on a number line. Integral solution means the integers. Integers means whole numbers. Now, for each of the following, represent the set of integral solutions on a number line. So, you know what a number line is. Number line is like this. Start with 0 and all these divisions must be equal. Minus left hand on minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and here 1, 2, 3, 4 is going on like that. So, here it is 0. So, left hand side is always, we are very careful, don't mix it. Left hand side is minus, the right hand side is plus. So, this is the number line. It can continue indefinitely going that side indefinitely. Now, they have told, for each of the following inequalities represent the set of integral solutions on a number line. So, x is, first one is x is greater than 2. X is greater than 2. X is greater than 2. We read this as x is greater than this side, greater, smaller. X is greater than 2. So, x is greater than 2 means, so you put a circle like that, this side is greater than 2. Now, integral values means you have to mark these numbers. You have to mark these numbers, integral, these are the integral values. Here x is greater than 2 means we don't take 2. But if we are starting from here, we don't take 2, but we take all the other numbers greater than 2. Now, if you take the second one, the inequality is x is greater than or equal to minus 1. So, again we have here 0, minus 1, minus 2, and it go on like that. 1, 2, 3, it goes on like that. Greater than or equal to minus 2. So, greater than or equal to minus 2 is starting from here. Greater than or equal to minus 2 means, greater than or equal to minus 1 means starting from here. So, you have to put minus 1 also as one of the values. So, all these are, you have to mark the integral values like that. Second one. Third one is x is less than 4. X is less than 4 coming from here. So, less than 4 will be these numbers going on like this, integral values less than 4. Next one is x is less than or equal to minus 2.5. X is less than or equal to minus 2.5. What is minus 2.5? Now, 0.5, I told you before, children, 0.5, the points you should know. 0.5 means, you can write in your formula book, 5 is equal to half. 0.25 is equal to quarter. And 0.75 is equal to 3/4. All you have to memorize this and keep. 0.5 equals half, 0.25 1/4, 0.75 is 3/4. So 2.5 means minus 2.5 means coming like this 1, 2, 3. 2.5 means exactly in the middle between 2 and 3. So here it's here. Here. So it should be x is less than or equal to 2.5 will be starting from here. And they want only integral value. So you have to color this, and -5, color this. And start from here, so we are not this is not a point. So integral will be -3, -4, -5 and going on like this. The next one will be x is greater than 1.5. X is greater than 1.5. I told you half means half is equal to 0.5. Half equal to 0.5. So exactly half. 1.5 means 1.5. It's coming here. Half, 1.5. So greater than 1.5 means this side. So integral values will be this one, for this one, and go on like that. These are the integral values for that. So that is, children, question number 1. We go to question number 2. Question number 2, children, they are given these lines, these inequality lines. You have to only write the inequality for this. Now, when you look at this inequality line, it is starting from here and it is colored. So that means starting from here. So, and this point is -2 is -2 here, -3 here. So the middle point will be -2.5. So and it is going to the right hand side. Therefore, x is greater than or equal to -2.5. First one. Second one, it is colored here. So we have to take this point. So and it is also going to the right hand side. So it will be x is greater than or equal to, and this is -1 here, -2 here, middle number will be -1.5, -1.5. This one will be coming on to this side, so it is negative. So, and it is not colored here. So, x is less than 3. X is less than 3. Because it is not equal to 3, it is less than 3, because it is not colored here. And here it is, this point is colored. So, and these from between 2 and 3, so it will be 2.5. So, x, and it is also going to the left hand side. So, x is less than 2.5. Okay, children, one more question we have to do. Question number 3. Represent the solution set of each of the following inequalities on a number line. The first one is -1 and 2 is common layer. So in this one there are 2 inequalities lines. So we have to take it as 2 inequalities. What is the first inequality? Will be -1 less than x. So you are written -1 is less than, the other one is x is less than 2. So you have to read this as x is greater than -1. This both side is greater. So x is greater than -1 and x is less than 2. If you read it like that, you won't make a mistake. So x is greater than -1 and x is less than 2. We draw the number line. So it is 0. And we will take those two, -1 here and -2, 1, 2. So x is, when you read it from here, x is greater than -1. So x is greater than -1 is starting from here. Greater than -1 and less than 2. Coming here. So it will be greater than -1, less than 2 will be this section here. So that will be the answer for the first one. Second one is -2 less than or equal to x less than 3. So here if you write the two equations will come in like this. Here the two equations will be x is greater than -2 and x is less than 3. So we draw the number line. We will take the boundaries -2, -1, -2, -3 and all that, and 1, 2, 3. So x is greater than or equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is the greater than is that side. So, if the greater than or equal to be, you have to color this. Greater than or equal to minus 2 and x is less than 3. So, we don't color this. So, this is the inequality section. X is greater than minus 2 and less than 3. So, the values will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Look at the next one. So, the 2 in x is greater than minus 3 is less than x, less than or equal to 1. So, the two equations will be x is minus 3 and x is less than or equal to 1. X is, so we read this as x is greater than minus 3 and x is less than or equal to 1. We draw the number line. The boundaries will be 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. So, x is greater than minus 3. So, it is not equal. So, you just put a circle there. Greater than minus 3 and x is less than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to 1, you have to color this. Less than, because equal to 1 is also there. So, x is greater than minus 3 and less than or equal to 1. So, this section. Fourth one will be x is less than minus 1 or x is greater than or equal to 2. They are given it like this. Earlier they gave it in one straight line, but here they are given it this way. X is less than or equal to minus 1 or x is greater than or equal to minus. So, the graph will be coming like this. 0, minus 1, minus 2 going on like that, 1, 2, 3 like that. So, x is less than minus 1, less means this side. So, less than minus 1 will be here and coming on this side. That is why you have given it like this. X is less than minus 1 and x is greater than or equal to 2. So, greater than or equal to 2 means you have to color this. Coming like that. So, this graph will be x is less than or equal to minus 1 and x is greater than or equal to minus 2. X is less than minus 1 or x is greater than or equal to 2. Look at the next one. X is less than or equal to minus 3 or x is greater than 0. So, we draw the number line and 0 here, 1, 2, 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. So, x is less than or equal to minus 1. So, x is less than or equal to minus 3. So, less than or equal to means you have to color this. So, minus 3 will come on this side. So, x is less than or equal to minus 3 will be coming out there. Now, in your Excel book, when you are drawing it, you can draw the number line and you can draw this in a different color, maybe red. You can darken this in the red color, then it will be very clear. So, x is less than or equal to minus 3 will be coming like that and x is greater than 0 will be coming here, but we don't color this. So, we have to just make it like that. So, this is the graph for x is less than or equal to minus 3 and x is greater than or equal to. So, that is all for today, children. This is the review exercise. We have done all 3 exercises and we will be continuing with the next one. I hope you have liked the lesson. If you have liked that, please subscribe.